Just got an e-bike from Amazon, just came today. It's called the Jasion YR20. Just gonna do the unboxing now. Check it out. This was the bigger of the two versions of bike. It comes in a YR16 with a 16-inch tire. This is the 20-inch tire, so hopefully it is rideable and not too big. But let's check it out. Here we go. Wow, there it is. Beauty. Wow. Is it heavy or what?
It's heavy, yeah.
It's heavy?
Yeah.
A little bit heavy?
A little bit heavy.
It's got big tires, look at that.
Yeah.
Huge tires. 20-inch rims. Assembling was pretty easy, but it is very hot in this garage. We are sweating right now. I don't know if you could see, but it's very hot in this garage. So we assembled the bike. It is for my son, and it's massive. So just look at it. Oh, you want to sit on it?
Yeah.
Okay, sit on it.
It's a little big.
Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness. Little bit big. So can you barely touch the floor?
Barely.
Barely touch the floor.
I can do like a little bit on my tippy toes.
A little bit on your tippy toes. Yeah, so it is the 20-inch wheel version, which is a little bit bigger. But the one size down, the YR16, has 16-inch rims. So it will be a little bit lower to the ground. It's hard sometimes on Amazon to pick the sizes and to see how it is because you don't know. Sometimes the description is a little bit off and sometimes you're not sure what to get. For example, this is a bigger purchase as well. It's about $1,000 Canadian. And how do I know if the size is gonna be perfect for my son? So it does say 30-day return policy, but you never know. There could be some excuse because who knows where these Amazon sellers are from. So just a fair warning, sometimes the sizes are gonna be off, but you have to sometimes take the plunge, make the purchase, check it out, and hopefully you can return it. Or if you can find it somewhere in a local store, which I doubt because I think they're from overseas, whether it's China or wherever, and it's gonna be hard to find these in stores. So we took a shot, we tried it out. Looks like it's a little big, but we're gonna have to figure something out. The bike is pretty good quality. I mean, they have solid pieces, nothing's really shaking or moving. Assembly was quick, and everything seems pretty solid, solidly built for a budget e-bike. So my son is about 5 foot tall. The bike is rated for just around that size and up to 6 foot and change. The smaller one goes from 4.5 foot, I believe, to about 5 feet. So he's right on the lowest end of this higher size. All right, we're gonna try it out now. What do you think?
Pretty nice.
It's not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
I think the small one is gonna be too small.
Yeah.
Right? What do you think?
And I can go on my tippy toes with it.
Yeah, it's not bad. You gotta get used to it. And for his first ride, it doesn't look that bad. It's a little big, putting your feet down. He's on his tippy toes, and it's a little heavy, the bike, but I think for future use, it's pretty good. Like in a year or 6 months from now, if he grows another 3-4 inches, I think it's gonna be perfect for him. So he took off up this hill here, and I don't know where he went. Gotta go find him. As you can see, it says no motorized vehicles, but this technically isn't motorized. So my son has been driving the bike all afternoon, and I think he's getting used to it. I think the smaller bike would be a little bit too small for him. Even though he's on his tippy toes right now, I think it's a little bit getting used to the bike and the weight of the bike, but in time, I think he's gonna enjoy it a lot better than the smaller one. It has a lot more power, and it goes a lot further. It has more torque, and it gets up these gravel hills here, and it just doesn't give out on the power. So it's really fun. He's having a blast. So am I. I'm trying to catch up with him with my 9-bot Segway scooter, which doesn't go as fast. All in all, I think it's a good budget e-bike. It's just a great all-around bike for the different types of terrain. Okay, found him. There he is. Did you go all the way around?
Yeah.
You fell?
Yeah.